This is known as the laziest dog ever. A minute ago she was snoring. And now she's going back to sleep because she's very, 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 very lazy. She's my dog though, not my sister's.
Excuse me.
and she likes snoring. Hey, shut up! You're not meant to be in this. You didn't want to be. That's my sister. And this is the cutest dog ever. Look up, Lucy. Lucy.
Hello. Take the laptop out of my room.
And that's the cutest dog ever.